purpose creation. Today we are going to learn another interesting bag. It's very simple. We are using sugar beads, and you can see that I've arranged my colors nicely. I'm using the fishing line size 0.6 mm. This is our bag lock. This is the handle we are using. We are starting. So you would pick, depends on the color you want and how you want to arrange your beads. It all depends on you. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you already subscribed to the channel, you are welcome to today's video, and I will encourage all of you to share the channel for others to also benefit. This is 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I will continue to the next color. Don't forget that the color arrangement depends on you and how you want to arrange them. Let me take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers once again. So this is how I've arranged my colors. We are building on. We are done turning. We are building on. And see that the colors are nicely arranged. So after turning, you have to pick 3 beads. You fix all the 3 on the outer thread, then you use the last bead to do your cross thread. If you are new to the channel, you are welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep the comments coming. If you watch a video and it's nice and beautiful, please say something about the videos. And for my old subscribers, I want to say a big thank you for helping the channel to grow. Keep subscribing, keep sharing and referring the channel to others. These are mats. Very interesting color. So I'll go ahead and weave this will be one side. I'll go ahead and weave the base. With the base, I'm weaving one color. So I'll weave it. So this is the base. As this one is 15 by 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And this side is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is the base is 7 by 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this side is 15. So when you join together, the sides will be 9. So we are going to weave 2 of these, and there we have it. It's the same length. Then we have the side. The side is 14 by 7. The reason why it's 14 is when you join the base, it will make it 11 by 7. So when you join it, it will be 12. Then it will be equal length. We are going to have 2 of this, and this is the other one. So in joining, after cutting your fixation line, you pick 1 single bead, then you fix your thread here, and we pick this one, then you cross thread with a single bead. Now this is the last part, and I'll not tie it here. Then I will turn backwards. not seeing your knot. It makes the work neat and beautiful. I'm coming to join this side as well. We are using the same format. We are done joining the sides. So this is how the folding is going to be from where we have the mold. This is how the folding. So this is how it will be. And I'm coming to seal this side upwards. All right, we are done joining the sides together. We are coming to fix our handles. So we are coming to fix this part. Okay, this is our back. Can see it's very nice and neat. Thank you for watching. Hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Keep your comments coming. Continue to share the page for others to also benefit. Thank you once again for watching. Bye bye.